Welcome back to my video. We're gonna video a cat, a fake cat. So let's get started. There was a lost cat. She was up here in a big tower. She found it a slide, so she go down the slide. And she got over here. She found it this whole place. So now the cat is gonna have a big home, and she has toys right here, and she has this place. It's a safety until if there's a tornado. She keeps on jumping and jumping and jumping and moving everywhere. One night, it was a big storm, so she had to go under here. It didn't feel so good. But she got bigger what she tried to, and she put it like that, so it's safer. And here it goes. It goes, then it was sunny. She got up, she put this thing out, half away. Ow! And she was like, what happened? I was not always safe. So, then she just put stuff back there where it was. Yep. And do. And she put that there, this here, that there, and that here. Well, she's still kinda happy. Well, the cat had a very good time in the house, so she jumps and jumps. And here's the next storm. She goes under there. Put it like that. And guess what? You know what happened? It goes like, and guess what? The lightning struck her. And guess what? She was never alive again. That and